There's going to be a future video called The Definitive How to Do Windows. And you're going to want to ignore the earlier video and just focus on that one. But that's coming at a later date. Sorry, there's this baby running around. It's distracting. Hey there, welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, pop a thumbs up at the end. So this week we actually accomplished several little things and making some progress here. We did the rear driver's side window, got it installed, got the door window cleaned up and installed, and our porch light is wired in. So all exciting things. We're going to give you a look at those, and I'm going to untarp this and do one other little project to finish out the week. So stay tuned. Oh, it's a little dark. There, maybe. Okay, so we had this light, just a porch light that we decided not to use. And then I was looking at it the other day, and well, now we've decided maybe we will use it. So I'm going to wire it in and put it right there. No, it's not like there is such switches. I'm going to try to work on this guy. This is the door window, and it's different in construction than any other window on the camper. So honestly, I don't really want to take it all apart to fix it, and that means I'm not really going to fix it. I think I can replace the bottom seals on these windows without taking it apart. I can't do the side seals. And I mean, if I had the top seal, I could probably do it. And if I had the bottom seal, I could probably do that too. The problem I ran into with this one is I can't find what make it is, and I couldn't find any seals that really fit the channel the way they're supposed to on this. So I don't have those. So I'm going to keep looking. You know, hopefully someday I might come across those and I'll be able to fully replace it. Sorry, I have a cough. I choked myself on a gummy bear. Because the windows themselves are designed so that any water that gets through beside the window panes and stuff drains down and out through weep holes at the bottom. So water that gets slightly past here shouldn't be an issue. But long way to say, I'm only going to be replacing some very few seals. And I'm going to try to clean all the paint off of this without taking all these window panes apart. Good luck to me. So close to being done with one side. That's progress. Okay, well, I guess I should find something else to do. Okay, well, I guess that's all my projects for today. If I could get to that light, this side would pretty much be done, I think. With the exception of having to repair this window. There's going to be a future video called The Definitive How to Do Windows. And you're going to want to ignore the earlier video and just focus on that one. Pretty happy with how it turned out. It's a cool thing you got there, bud. It's looking pretty sharp. Okay, so one of the last things we need to do on this side is to install another marker light. And it goes up here. I think in one of the earlier videos I put one of these on the back that was this amber color, but usually you use a red marker light on the back, so I just swapped the covers. So there's one wire coming off of there, but you might notice I have two coming out of there. One's your hot wire and one's the ground, and these are actually supposed to ground by, when you put a screw through that, it grounds to the trailer skin, which works until your screw gets corroded or comes loose or something like that, and I never feel very secure about that. So I usually run a ground wire, and so I'll run that into this little metal plate here, and that way I know it'll always be ground, even if this thing were to just fall off the camper and be hanging here in the wind. So just a little extra level of security. Alright, so there you have it. That's where we're going to stop today. It's supposed to be 99 degrees, so I'm already feeling it. But yeah, I feel like we got a lot accomplished this week. It's nice to check off all those little projects and you know, feel like you're actually moving forward for a change. Anyway, next week, you know, if you're keeping track, I've got one more window like this, and then I've got the big front window to clean up and replace some glass on. So that'll be a project. Don't know if it'll all get done next week. I also have the back hatch still to take care of, so that's 3 holes we've got to button up on this thing, and then we can be watertight. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure and like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next week. New videos come out every Sunday. Until then, stay cool, everybody. Thanks for watching.